One of the major drivers of the housing deficits is urbanization. This is a global megatrend. It's growing alarmingly fast, and we are now reaching a stage where we are beyond talking and actions need to be taken. We can't be sitting idle and watch this looming tidal wave continue to build momentum and grow, as the end result may very well spell disaster in the form of spreading of epidemics, civil unrest, uneducated populace, and much more. In 2014, the global construction industry reached a tipping point. McKinsey announced that nearly 1.6 billion people would struggle to access affordable housing by 2025. A business-as-usual approach, building block by block, does not work to reverse the trend of the massive affordable housing deficit that touches every country of the world. A major contributor to the problem is the fact that construction is rooted in the past, it's wasteful, slow, and difficult to scale. Quality is not guaranteed, and the results vary. We need to empower the people by making affordable housing and communities available that are sustainable, healthy, livable, and prosperous. The EchoStone solution is built on paradigm-shifting technologies that addresses the massive affordable housing deficit, allowing EchoStone and our local partners to build and deliver sustainable homes at an industrial scale with extremely high quality. EchoStone solution is the critical missing link between the need for houses and the delivery of affordable housing supply. Our mission is to use our integrated approach, technology, solutions, and processes to enable rapid development of homes, making a huge economic, social, and environmental impact in the process. The EchoStone machine is a state-of-the-art, one-of-a-kind, computerized mobile concrete factory on wheels. It produces consistent, continuous, monolithic pours on location in almost any environment. The machine produces 25 cubic meters of concrete per hour, the same as 5 cement trucks. It can pump the concrete 200 meters horizontally and 60 meters vertically, giving each machine an unparalleled range. This allows the team to pour a slab of 65 square meters in just 1 hour, which is what we try to show here, and an entire house, including 15 centimeter thick interior and exterior solid concrete walls in just 2 hours. This monolithic structure adds tremendous strength, structural stability, and contains no seams, which further prevents water and insects from entering the home. The machine uses an intuitive computer panel, allowing a worker to set the density requirements of the concrete as required. We utilize a world-class modular formwork that is lightweight, reusable, and recyclable. This highly configurable formwork supports the continuous monolithic pours of concrete that is fed from the EchoStone machine, resulting in structure with extreme strength, durability, and longevity. In fact, our life cycle analysis shows that the EchoStone structure will last at least 100 years. Our proprietary concrete is known as cellular concrete, invented in Sweden over 100 years ago. The concrete has many beneficial properties over traditional concrete. For instance, the concrete provides improved thermal insulation against heat and cold, measuring up to 7 degrees cooler compared to a conventional built house in Lagos. The concrete also contains hydrophobic properties, meaning the concrete repels water. It also has superior fire resistance, rated A1 in fire. EchoStone commits to working closely with local suppliers in order to promote the domestic value chain, while also providing homeowners with sustainability features that will positively contribute to healthy living. The overall EchoStone housing system has been able to achieve a 43% lower embodied carbon footprint and a 67% life cycle carbon reduction. EchoStone is well underway in building the first 2,000 units under a contract with the state of Lagos in 3 different project locations. Additionally, in December, we signed an agreement with Nigeria's Family Home Fund to deliver 100,000 homes over the next 5 years nationally. Using 10 machines, 100 sets of formwork, 3,000 workers, we deliver 330 homes every 2 weeks, turnkey ready. By running this combination across multiple parallel tracks, we can scale to unprecedented numbers. Combined with our proprietary technologies, we create an industrial approach to housing development. It is the industrialization of labor meeting technology. This approach is supported by a comprehensive job site handbook that details all aspects of using the technology in the most efficient, safe, and sustainable manner as possible. Each phase of production is structured around teams, and each team is color-coded for easier collaboration, streamlined supervision, and improved site logistics. This maximizes job site operations and performance. We also use 100% local labor and encourage diversity among our workforce, particularly for women. We are proud to approach our projects with empowerment at the center and contribute to job creation. And according to the World Bank, each new house built creates 5 new permanent jobs. EchoStone's commitment and approach to sustainability is a key driving force of our system and our company. The construction methods, materials, and processes are all tailored to deliver efficient and sustainable houses so that homeowners have access to healthy, safe, and dignified living. The EDGE program from IFC is a prestigious international standard and certification for achieving sustainable development. As a recognized global champion of EDGE, we are committed to building green, to support the environment, and provide long-term benefits to the communities we serve. In Nigeria, we delivered the first ever residential housing certified under the esteemed IFC EDGE certifiability program, which requires a minimum of 20% reduction in energy, water, and embodied carbon. We have been able to exceed this threshold in all categories, including a 35% reduction in water, a 29% reduction in energy, a 43% reduction in embodied carbon, and a 67% overall life cycle carbon reduction. EchoStone is also very proud to be an IFC EDGE Global Champion, a member of United Nations Global Compact, the world's largest corporate sustainability initiative, and a member of US Green Building Council. Our internationally experienced team takes an innovative approach to sustainability and master planning so that we deliver the greatest impact possible for the communities we are supporting. This includes planning for open spaces, playgrounds, community center, drainages, and wastewater treatment facilities using the latest technologies. Our approach is to invest in communities by providing infrastructure that supports a safe, healthy, resilient, and sustainable society. We follow a world-class design approach in close collaboration with our highly regarded international partners, including some of the world's best design, architecture, and engineering firms. Our teams work closely with local counterparts to ensure local context is integrated into home, design, and community planning as well. Our studies have shown utility cost reductions of over $100 per unit and contribute, obviously, to the long-term economic environmental savings. From the beneficial properties of the concrete in the walls to the features described, EchoStone is leading the way to bringing scale, speed, and quality to affordable housing. Technology can deliver more affordable housing. Innovative technologies like ours are creating affordable housing by driving the cost of construction down while delivering it at scale. Even more so, we are proud to introduce a technology that not only delivers at affordable price point, but does so sustainably with the highest levels of quality without compromising on price. Training and technology transfer is important. EchoStone has a robust training program aimed at empowering our construction partners. As we scale up, our Train the Trainers program is a critically important component to achieving long-term success. Utilizing 100% local labor also drives economic progress through job creation. Access to off-takers. Suppliers and technology providers of affordable housing must focus on delivering of homes at a rapid pace. In the supply and demand balance, this new paradigm shift of technology requires off-take to be in place so that inventory is not held, putting strain and risk on developers. The governments and other off-take aggregators should work closely together to ensure homes can be delivered upon completion, allowing the developer to focus on high quality and rapid production of homes. This is very important in streamlining the affordable housing value chain. Governments must do more. Governments need to abolish, or at a minimum, lower import duties. They also need to introduce tax incentives. The more they can do to create an attractive and friendly business environment for the private sector, the better. This includes tearing down all bureaucracies and red tape, which is commonly seen in permitting, land rights, foreclosure, and repossession laws. Through these best practices, governments will increase GDP, tax collection, general revenues, and create jobs. Even more importantly, they'll empower their citizens and communities, help them achieve their goals, invest in families, and provide safe, healthy, resilient, and sustainable society. So, I would like to leave you with this. What are you going to do to end the affordable housing crisis? Who are you in this system? And what role do you play? And how can we work together to make a difference in communities throughout Nigeria? I'm looking forward to see you in our booth, hopefully, in the next couple of days. Thank you so much for your attention.